See how to fix keyboard lag or delay in your Windows. So go to settings and go to accessibility, and so click this. You need to come downside, so you can see the keyboard option is there. Click the keyboard option and go and check the sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys should be in turn off condition. Make sure this three should be in turn off. Then go to Windows Update and check the window is up to date or not. Sometimes some pendings and installation pendings causes issues, so clear all the installation pending items and go to system settings, and here go to troubleshoot. Click the troubleshoot and go to other troubleshoot. Here you can go to a Windows Update troubleshoot, and you need to click run. Search for in top side you have a Windows Update. Okay, so you need to click run, so it will troubleshoot your Windows Update if have any issues, and further proceed process. After that you need to go and search for run. Click the run, and here you need to type control space keyboard. So type this and click enter. After that you can see the pop-up menu will appear. In this you can see the long will be the short, and the prepare size will be fast. Okay, the settings will be same as accurate. Okay, after that you need to go to device manager and need to update the keyboard. Okay, so in this you need to scroll down and can see the keyboard is there. Right click and update drive is there. You need to search automatically and update the driver. Sometimes it will update it by Windows Update also. You can update by after that restart.